Now we're going to look at the 2-channel window curtain controller. This is a module to control 2-wire curtain motors. To configure this module, double-click the model name. The information on the screen has some different features. First of all, we have 1 forward, 1 backward, 2 forward and 2 backward. These represent the opening and the closing of the curtains or the blinds, the projector screen or other motor device. Start by putting the name. For example, main curtain. This is just an example. And press save. When you press the test button, the relay on the module will activate. Now I pressed forward. When I press backwards, the other one will activate. Same for curtain 2. When you connect your blind or curtain, you should measure the time it takes to fully open and fully close. If, for example, it takes 13 seconds to fully open, then you should put 14 seconds inside the duration. Now, when you press forward or backwards, or otherwise known as open or close, it will remain active for 14 seconds. This will allow it to fully open or close, and then the power will be switched off, maintaining safety. If you want to have a delay before the curtain or the blind starts to open, then you can put that here. This is minutes, seconds and tenths of a second. If you want to have a delay for when it stops moving, then you can put it here. The operation of this is quite basic and simple, but there are some more advanced features. First of all, I'm going to show you how to program 2 buttons to control this main curtain for open and close. First, I will close the module and remember the subnet and device ID, subnet 1, device 6. Then I will open up the DLP keypad and open up page number 1. I would like to use button 1 and 2 to open and close the curtain. I recommend to use single on-off mode for the buttons. Always press save. Now let's go to button ID 1. Press the target setting and enter the subnet and device ID of the curtain module. Now select curtain switch. We have the option of 1 or 2. We are using number 1. Let's select open and save. Now let's make a shortcut. Right click and copy. As you can see, we can select button 2 from this shortcut. This is close. Right click and paste and change the status to close. You may notice there are some percentages. This is for HDL curtain and blind modules and does not apply to this module, where you just use open, close and stop. Hit save. We now have programmed button 1 and button 2 to open and close the curtain. Let's try to press the button. As you can see, only one stays active at the time. Let's make the graphic for this option. Go to Function, Image, select DLP, unselect only page 1, and make some labels. Click Upload. Now we have some nice graphics on the DLP to show the curtain opening and closing. If you want to stop the curtain where it is, you can press it again. For example, close, and again it will stop. That's because the button is a single on-off. Let's have a look at some more features in the curtain module. Double click on the module. As you can see, you have two outputs. If you want to control the second curtain or blind, you should choose channel 2 open and channel 2 closed. Some blinds have louvers, for example Venetian blinds, and require a momentary on and off setting to alter the position. These settings can be set on the right hand side. To control these, you should use channel 3 and channel 4 in your button. That will create a momentary setting for the curtains and the blinds. For the other options, please contact HDL Technical for a detailed explanation. That is the end of the 2-channel curtain motor. Thank you for your time and look forward to the next module.